Good afternoon, students. So today we are going to learn about computer and about good things, characteristics of computer, and computer where we can use computers, parts of computers. So these different things we are going to learn. Okay, so first of all I'm going to share one picture that is of computer. Now you can see this is a computer. You can see the whole different parts are combining together and then they can make a computer like this monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, speaker, and this UPS. They all are coming together, they all are combining, and then after that they can form a computer system. So this whole is a computer system. These separate parts are not a computer system. This is monitor, this is speaker. You can't say it a computer system, right? But yes, when they all are combined, they all are connected together, that time you can say them a computer system. This whole is a computer system. You can see the different wires are there. Monitor's wires connected with CPU, keyboard wire is connected with CPU, mouse wire is connected with CPU, UPS is also connected with CPU, and then the plug is in. Okay, so this is a computer. So what you have to say, computer is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine. It is a combination of different parts. It is a combination of different devices, right? So now I will tell you parts of computer. Now you can see there are different devices. These are computer's part. First one is monitor. This is the most commonly used computer device, that is monitor. Whatever you do, you can see the result on this monitor, right? Whatever you do, you type, whatever you just do in computer, you can see in this monitor. Okay, next one is CPU. Next one is CPU. Where is CPU? You can see this is the CPU, right? This is the CPU. This is the CPU. This is also called brain of the computer. Why it is called brain of the computer? Because the whole processing is done by this device only. Whatever you give command to the computer, this processing device will work only this device. Okay, that's why this is the brain of the computer. Next one is keyboard. Keyboard we use for typing. By typing we can give commands to the computer. Whatever you want to get it done by a computer, first you have to give commands. So to give commands you can use this keyboard. Okay, so by keyboard you can type whatever you want. Next one is mouse. Mouse is also an input device. Through mouse you can point anything, you can click on anything. So this is also used to give commands to the computer. It looks like a mouse, that's why it is called a mouse. It has a long tail. So this is a mouse. Next one is speakers. Speakers are used to get sound output in the form of sound. In a speaker you can listen whatever you want. UPS is there for a power supply. If your power is cut and then you have to work on system, you can use this UPS, right? Printer is for printing something. If you want print out of anything, you can use printer. Then headphones. Headphones are also for sound. If you want to listen anything, you can use these headphones. And then scanner. By this device you can give instructions in the form of image, text. Okay, you can scan anything, any paper, any image, and that will be shown on monitor. So this is scanner. It is also an input device. Next one is pen drive. You must have seen pen drive. It is there in everyone's house. So this is pen drive to store something. If you want to store something in your, if you want to take something out, like you want some files from your system, so you can insert this here in CPU and you can store whatever you want in this. Okay, so this is pen drive. This is a storage device. This is a storage device. Okay, next is web camera. Web camera, if you want to see someone, if you want to chat someone on your computer system and you want to see their faces, so you use this web camera, right? It is for facial input, right? Okay, so next one is few good things about computer, or you can say it characteristics about computer. You know that I also told this in class that we all have some good things or some good habits or some good characteristics in ourselves. So what is good things about computer, or what are the characteristics of computer? First of all, it has a large memory. We can't store so many things in our brain. We don't remember actually. We try to remember but we can't, because our brain is quite small. When we learn new things, we forget old things. But in computer, you can store whatever you want. Computer's memory is very, very, very large. You can store whatever you want, whatever images, songs, movies, whatever you want, you can store in its memory. So computer has a large memory. Then next is speed. Computer can work very fast. Computer is a very fast device. Okay, so its speed is very high. Next is accuracy. When I ask you some questions, you can give me wrong answers, but computer can never give wrong answers. So computer's accuracy is 100%. Computer's accuracy is 100%. Then diligence. Diligence means a computer can work for a long time. A computer can work for a long time. Then automation. Automation means it is a automatic device. You don't have to do anything, you just have to type, but computer will work by own on electricity. Okay, next is reliability. Reliability means you can believe on computer. If you want to do something, you can believe on computer, and computer will do whatever you want. Okay, next is versatility. This we have also learned in class. Versatility means computer can do all type of work, and computer can never get tired of. You know that whenever I tell you to write for a long time, for 2 or 3 periods, you will say, ma'am, I'm tired now, I can't write now. And you also say, ma'am, I'm getting bored, I don't want to do this again. So if you want, this computer will never get tired of anything, and also it can do all type of works. It can play songs for you, it can play movies for you, it can allow you to play games, it will allow you to type anything, it will allow you to paint. So these all things can be done by computer. So computer is a versatile machine. Computer is a versatile machine. Okay, students. Then next is where we can use computer. This we have learned in our school also, in my class also. So where we can use computer? Travel agencies, where we have to buy or book a ticket. Schools, you have seen computers in schools. In computer labs, you can see these computers for doing any kind of work, for painting, for typing. Okay, then next is police station. You can see computers on police station also. People who do wrong activities, people who do wrong work, they can file their complaint here, they can lodge their complaint here in computer. Okay, next one is hospitals. Today only we talk about this, that in hospitals computers are used to keep record of patients, and computers are also used to diagnose the disease, that what kind of disease, what kind of problem is a patient have. Okay, then next is internet, DTV and internet. We can use internet in computer to search anything. Then space, this also I have told you that if someone wants to go on space, on moon and everything, it's also there. All the research work can be done here, okay, in the computers. In offices also it can be done, at railway station it can be done. So there are so many places where computer can be used. Okay students, so this is it. This was our chapter number 1. We have done the question answer in class, but again I will send you all the question answer on your WhatsApp group. So first you have to watch this video carefully, and then you have to complete your book work also. Is it clear students? First you have to watch this video and then you have to complete your book work. Okay, thank you students.